You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn once and for all how to pronounce these names correctly. A name of Spanish origin that is more common in Spanish-speaking countries, South America, Latin America, the Dominican Republic, Caribbean, and it's pronounced in Spain and central Spain, Quiroz. Now, the Q-U-I is pronounced ki, alright? It's not qui, just ki, like K-I or K-E, ki, roth. Now, in Spain, the Z at the end is going to be pronounced like TH, Quiroz, Quiroz. But in other Spanish-speaking countries, it's usually pronounced like an S, so it's fine to say it like an S, Quiroz. Quiroz. The stress is on the first syllable, okay? Quiroz. It's easy. Quiroz or Quiroz. Can you hear the difference? Was this any useful? How did you pronounce it before? Let us know in the comments down below. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.